Hi everyone, thank you for joining us for the first installment of Life with Lisa. Today we are here in Hamilton. I'm with Sherry, the owner of Petals and Wicks, where we're going to be making our own personal licensed fragrance for a candle that we're going to be using for gifts for our clients. We picked this location in particular because I love the charm of this store, and I've been following Sherry on Facebook, and it's just phenomenal. The other reason why is the revitalization of Hamilton. As most of you know, this is where I was born and raised. So I believe in Hamilton and I give back to Hamilton. And so here we are. And Sherry's going to walk us through the process of candle making. She's already helped me pick out a few of the scents that we're going to make to use in our personal candle.
Well, first of all, welcome, Lisa. We're so happy to have you here. So what we're going to do, Lisa already predetermined her scents. We walked her through the whole process. We have about 100 fragrances to choose from, and she's picked her licensed 3 scents. So I'm going to have Lisa smell this again, just double check it and make sure this is really what she likes.
I love it. I'm all about the clean, crisp, fresh fragrance.
Right.
So that's what I have going on here.
So we're going to have Lisa actually pour her own candle here. So she's got 3 different scents here, and you notice I've got them turned backwards because it is a secret. We're not going to let you know what that is. It's her licensed scent. So Lisa, what you're going to do is you're going to take each one of these and you're going to pour a little bit into this jigger.
Okay.
And then you're going to we'll smell it and make sure you have the right blend. And then do your other one. Now let's test it a little bit and make sure you're loving this.
I like it.
Anything off a little bit, or you think you could adjust that? You've got room. You can adjust it with one of the other ones.
Let me do a little of the secret scent. Okay.
Okay, so now what we're going to do is we poured the fragrances. She's got a blend of 3, and we're going to take her oils and we're going to pour that into our wax. So I'm going to grab the wax.
Okay.
We have this pre-wicked.
Sherry, while you're doing that, tell us, do you do workshops?
Yeah, we do, people can walk in here anytime and they can pour candles or make body products in their custom blend. So they would smell our wall, and then they would pick 5 to 15 scents, and then they would sit at our bar, and we're going to help them blend up to 3 into their candle or body product. So I'm going to move this here so people can see what we're doing.
Okay.
Are you right-handed?
I am right-handed.
So I'm going to reverse that. Right.
Okay.
So pick up your jigger, and you're going to pour that straight into your wax.
Okay.
And then you're going to pick up your wick with your other hand.
Okay.
And then you're going to stir this for a minute, minute and a half.
Okay. Now, tell me about your body products that you have.
Well, we have a variety of body products. So we have like a goat's milk lotion, which has shea butter honey. It's phenomenal. We have a shower gel, body wash, sugar scrubs, natural brown sugar scrubs. We have cardifuse. We just have a variety of different things, and that is constantly growing. We like people to be able to scent their own. And so we have our what we call our PYO, or pour your own, options are growing all the time. So we're trying to be as natural as we possibly can.
Very cool.
And have a great product for people to scent.
Now, in doing some research, I saw or learned, I knew this when I was in grade school, but forgot about it, that candle makers were called chandlers. So is that your title?
Well, we call ourselves either a scentologist or a mixologist. We have a bar setting here, and so that's why we use those terms.
Scentologist, I like that.
Yeah. We're creating scents. Okay, I think you're good here, Lisa. Let me take that spoon from you. Okay. Just let your wick go.
Okay.
Lay it down there and then smell your.
I was going to lick it.
Smell your candle.
Oh, that smells good. Do you like it?
Yeah, that's really nice. Very fresh smell. Good.
I like it.
So then what's going to happen from here is it's going to take a couple hours for it to solidify, set up, and we will finish this candle off, and it'll be ready for who you're going to gift this to.
Perfect.
Okay.
Okay, Sherry, tell us the final process of this candle making.
Okay, so you've chosen your label that's going to go on here. So what we're going to do now is we're going to set this aside, let it set up for a couple hours. Then we're going to just start recreating this candle. We're going to duplicate it for your order. Okay. And then when you come pick it up, it's going to be all nice and with your custom label on it. It's going to look really nice and finished. so they'll be ready for you to give to your clients.
Great. I want to thank you so much for the time that we've had together to learn
Sure.
about you, learn about your shop and what you do, and the thing that you're doing with the Naomi candle. I commend you on that.
Thank you.
We want to let everybody know that Sherry's been generous enough to let us do a raffle of a $100 gift card to her shop here in Hamilton. All you have to do is like, share, and tag our page. That's Petals and Wicks, and that is Team Morales with Coldwell Banker. And we're going to have a drawing for that $100 gift card, and you will be the first person that gets our signature sent. Thanks, everybody. Bye-bye.